Hey guys, in today's video I'll talk about new US dollar versus the Canadian dollar longs after its temporary retreat, after the Canadian inflation data, after the US retail sales data. Read disclaimer here, please read it, and if you have questions you can send an email to support. Thank you guys. So the Canadian Consumer Price Index 0.6% growth versus only 0.3 expected, and versus 0.1% growth reported in the previous reporting period. And the US economic data, the US retail sales data, better than expected. And Empire State Manufacturing Index worse than expected, but let's take a look here. Okay, this is what happened right after the economic data release, after the Canadian and US data dump, and this was my previous setup here on this market. Personally, I've decided to manage my position today here for 68 pips, something like this. Earlier today, one moment, something like this earlier today, 68 pips after the price reached maybe maybe supply zone here after failing to hit the former high, something like this. Personally, I've decided to manage my position. This was here my position in my real account. Okay, from here to here. Okay, 1.3482. Okay, and personally right now I'm looking for something else. Okay, I'm looking for something else. I will hide this setup because personally, yeah, I wanted to take profit here on this market, because I've told you today that earlier today in that market breakdown video that the economic data could bring high volatility, sharp movements, could change the sentiment in the short term. And right now I'm looking for new longs, okay, for new buying opportunities, because I've told you that I've told you guys that as long as it is above the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, okay, here it could still extend its growth. After this rally, personally I would like the price to come back down here to retest the medium line and this order block, this demand zone, before developing a new upwards movement, a new leg higher. Also, if it stays here, if it retests, if it prints a bullish pattern here above this immediate demand zone, then probably I will look for potential longs from here. But yeah, personally I would like the price to come back to retest the medium line, and then to retest here also the demand zone, to register only false breakdowns, to print false breakdowns, great separation, to develop a bullish pattern here, and then to develop a larger upwards movement. Okay, because right now, after reaching this immediate maybe supply zone, resistance zone area right below 1.35 psychological level, yeah, personally I would like the price to come back here, yeah, to take out the liquidity here, to drop below the former lows, to reach this zone, the medium line, and then to develop a new upwards movement. This was the reason, guys, why I've decided to manage my previous position, to close my position in profit for 68 pips. This was my setup here, a buy limit. This was a buy limit here after this rally, a buy limit here, then boom. Okay, and right now maybe I will look for a new setup, maybe with a potential pending order here, but it remains to see. Right now I want to see the price here, and then maybe I will decide if I will place a buy limit or if I will place a buy stop after the price will hit this zone here. Yeah, right now it's premature because it could stay above 1.3437. Maybe I will look for something for a potential setup here, or here, or with a buy stop here. It remains to see. Right now I'll wait to see how it will how the price will react in the short term after these high impact events. Okay, personally I will take a look look here on the DXY as well. Also, yeah, unfortunately, here only a false breakout with great separation. The pressure is still high, guys. As long as if it stays stabilizes here below the medium line, it could develop maybe a larger downside movement in the short term. That's why I've said that it's premature to place a pending order right now on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. But personally, I will keep an eye on this market, and I will come back with my new trade with a pending order into the VIP group. And about the DXY, if it stays here above 102.77 to test retest, to move sideways, it could still develop a potential new leg higher upside movement, bullish momentum, and only a new lower low could signal a larger downside movement towards this zone, and then maybe it could develop an upwards movement. Okay, thank you guys. Personally, I will come back with a new setup, with a new high probability trade here on this market, USD versus the Canadian dollar, soon into the VIP group. If you are not a VIP member, please guys, don't forget to hit the link below this video, or you can use this link from here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.